me with that St.Mary. St.Mary with there. St.Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Pick up yourself, Parry. You're here again in St. Mary. Another day. Bright and sunny. Even though sometimes it cloud overcast. But hoping that no rain today. And we'll take care of yourself. God bless you always. Take care of yourself.
Man, I'm not with that knife, yeah. We're going Parry. Yeah, with that, we're up at St. Mary here. She round there, so make up one fire. Me strip some callaloo if put it in some salt water. Long time we don't make no little meal up, so we make some callaloo and bread. And I don't know. Look at challenges me still have up here, but me I go through. Cause me I do some upgrading on my light, and the electrician tell me what to do when I come to get light, but me not get no light. So me there now, me not have the electricity, because me do what tell me to do, but me not get it. So it look like me have to go try call him and make him tell me. I'll call him here now. So, but otherwise from that, me I hold the faith and I go through the rain up here, but we not at the place where St. Mary a flood out. We there, so me I go and strip up the color look, because I'm kind of hungry. Come and go deal with some business as always. So, long time I don't see we still in our kitchen here. So, just stay with the power we are going to deal with today. Now, nothing too big and exciting, but yeah, me are going. We are going. So, me catch you back in the next clip. See?
Uncle Murphy.
Yes, Parry. I cut up some garlic and thing, you know. Some seasoning. Go inside of the callaloo.
Yeah, callaloo cut up. So, me strip and that wash and cut up. So, I'm going to use some wood fire today, but we are working on that. Time I black up and it a clear off and it a black up. So, that's how we do for you know. Whole pascallion. Garlic and so. We don't deal with the whole powder season. I call them. Hey, Murphy. Love when I call it steam with natural season.
Natural season.
I'm and the scallion and something.
Yeah.
You know. And we have put half of one bell pepper in it, you know. Just that. Now put too much car. And pepper they will take away flavor.
Yeah, pepper.
You know we have. But Uncle Murphy, we start. We said they would them get trouble.
They have to pass.
No, you're not supposed to get close to them with them. You know, Uncle Murphy.
You know what?
Let me stay close to them.
Yes, you stay close to me. I won't go too near.
No, sir. No, Parry me, I put these on color. Uncle Murphy, no watch.
I'm not staying close to the wood. These wood are dangerous.
No, I did, yeah, I can't manage. Yeah, so we are seeing we could color. It will take long, you know, car, but we're not in a no hurry, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so put him down there, Murphy, make him go and steam down. A long time we not done none of this here, you know, Murphy.
Long time.
A long time we not cook nothing here. You don't put them one little food. Sandwich. Uncle Murphy, help yourself, show them.
Yes, so we help yourself, yeah?
Callaloo sandwich.
Callaloo sandwich.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Callaloo tune. Bread pepper. Show them the bread pepper. Look. Bread pepper.
Nice, nice.
Come show. Hey, the callaloo. Hey, Uncle Murphy, I so me like my callaloo, you know.
Yeah.
Nice flavor. Show them, show. Yeah. Yeah. Callaloo tune. Nice, you know, Parry. You know, them nice country callaloo. Out of bag what I buy from one lady. Buy from her already. Color look good. No. I could Pepsi, them not give me no tea, but yeah, man, nice color look young. Parry, we there, we never go on with nothing much till after we done eat with the diet. Try talk, we get like more footage on, but right away, a little thing come and we have to go deal with it, because something come for where we never want the rain wet it up. So we have to move towards it, and as we done the rain come now, but we are warm up back again, right?
Yes,
Uncle Murphy,
yes,
yeah.
warm up
We have a little break going, a little intermission.
Right.
But as time go by, so, you know, we are thanks for you staying with us and everything. You see, a little callaloo and something still not get me tea, but time black up here now, so I can cut out here now, because the rain here right now, it's very unpredictable in the May month and so on. So, what I do, I'm busy, always busy. I do film business and sitting, so. Parry. When me see you now again, but never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things, because look here, we take with time and come bigger and bolder and better, Uncle Murphy.
Right.
And so it goes sometime, you know, in life, things have to scale down. And remember that we are still working on to get some plyboard for shoe. They are at the point where they are gonna be decking now. So we're still reaching out. I'm gonna put my number across the screen that you can reach out to me. And I must, as always, stop to say thank you for those that have reached out more than once. Those that have reached out knew that I've been reaching out. Okay? We just thank you. Those that have promised, we're still giving thanks for you to help in advance. And Parry, I cannot express enough gratitude to you for taking this stand on which you take here with me to help Bosho to get a little dwelling. I thank you. I know someone started and I know you're gonna all finish it. So for those that are out there, oh, the nice bug them come after them time now, that are listening and don't know, we are trying to get a little dwelling for Bosho. We're not going to show you today because it's just at the same point. So we're at the point where we want to put on the top. So some plyboards are holding us and maybe a few more lengths of steel. We have half a ton there, but I think we might want a few more lengths and a little more sand. Gravel is there enough and a few more bags of cement. So we'll be grateful and we are thankful for, we'll be grateful for extra help and we are thankful for the help that we have gotten already. So we are going to cut out for now from St. Mary, you know, but as we go, we will go. And I just want to say, those that are here, to the silent watchers that watch and they never comment, thank you, you are part of the family. Those that have been here with me from the very beginning of this channel, and if you want to know what is happening, if you're new here and you'd like to know what is happening, what I'm talking about Bosho, just go back and start watching some of my older videos and it will take you right back up to par to see where we are now. And let me tell you, the best is yet to come on this Jamaican Deb strain. You might not understand, but there are things that I've been working on behind the scenes, working assiduously. Working, so that when anybody come, when you and I'm going to come to look, you're going to say, okay, Debbie, I'm proud of you. I realized what he was doing. That, you know, I can't entertain, you know, in style. Right, Uncle Murphy?
Right,
in
right.
good order. So we're going to cut out from St.Mary for now. Shoe.
Yeah, fine, we go.
She want to take a little one drink. Yes, you ain't wet? Ah,
Pick up yourself and blessed.
yeah.
Every time.
We catch you, Parry, in another video or on another live. Dad, they're behind the camera.
Yeah,
say
man.
bye.
Bye.
Up and running.
God bless Kuzi Kana, Gizzard.
Yeah.
Gizzard.
Yeah, God bless you, Kana. Yeah.
Yeah.